Alright, welcome back guys. So today we'll be doing a deconstruction video of one of the mashups which we have uploaded. So this is how it goes. So the first song which we used over here is Tu Cheese Buddy Must Must, and the next song we used is Boom Diggy Diggy by DJ RD. It's a remix by DJ RD. So it is DJ RD over here, and then we'll see what all we will be discussing, what all different things we used, like the hot cues with different hot cues which we used and why we put over there, and different beat juggles which how we did it, and how, like, what exactly went through in the creative process of making our mashup. Okay, so first thing first, we have started it over from here. Okay, volumes up, low, okay. So we didn't wanted the whole this big intro, so we wanted to avoid the whole big intro, and we just wanted to start this song. So we started over from here. And this song, what we did is we used the outro of the song. Basically, first we started over from here, as you can see, because it's a silent part, and over here also we are starting it silently. So both of them it matched properly. So what we did is right up this bar and like, yeah. But we didn't play this bar. We jumped to the previous one section again. You can see in the waveform, we'll be jumping it to the cube mark H. So we'll be jumping it to H again, okay? So it goes like this: 3, 2, 1. We have to cut the low frequencies. Don't forget that. And then deck 3. So it goes like this. And in deck, and yeah, why we have cut the low frequencies is when you're mixing two different tracks, we never should have the low frequencies up for both the songs, or both the tracks, or both the decks, because what happens is low frequencies are the very important part of the song. All the bass and all the kicks and everything, when two different kicks and two bass lines clash, the mix is going to get really muddy. As a producer, this is like a producer tip which we are giving you. Whenever we are mixing a song, like when we're making a song, we make sure that the low frequencies, only the bass line has the low frequencies, but not the top layer parts, whichever the melodies which we are putting up, those we cut out the low frequencies. So that's the same thing which we do in mixing live on the console. So we make sure what are the song which we are bringing up, or whatever it depends on you how you want to mix it. It's all up to your creativity. But make sure that when two songs are playing, make sure one bass is cut, like the one low frequencies are completely cut out, because otherwise it's going to get muddy and it's going to get distorted as well sometimes. So make sure of that. So that is why the low frequencies are cut over here. And the song again will continue playing. But then what we did is again on deck 3, the same song, the same verse, like the the second verse, it goes like this. So we set the cue mark again right before the verse starts, exactly one bar before. So we'll be again juggling this song over here. Okay, so continuing the song. All right. Okay, we missed it in a really bad timing over here. Okay, that was a big mess up over here again. So we'll just go back. I'm really sorry about that. So it's the third deck. It has to go over here. All right, and the first deck is supposed to be. We'll put it the last two bars, which is okay. Hold on. Yeah, this is the last two bars. We'll go 2 bars over here again. Yeah, cool. Cut the low frequencies of third deck. Yeah, and here we go. Hey. We did it in a... Okay, hold on. What's up? Okay, so we'll do it again over from here, like 2 bars before. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Let's hope we get it this time. Alright, so this is how it goes. So in deck, put down the deck 1 volume. We just have to slide it down. And we started right before the same. We started right 1 bar before the one phrase of that one phrase ends. And then we jumped again back in the song, like right before the drop. There's a vocal over here saying. So the jump which we did over here is this. So when this song, so as you can see, right before the beat starts, right before that beat starts, we jumped it to this part over here. All right. Okay, let's go again. So that was in the, like, there was beats, and the song continues over here. And then what we did is we went to deck 1, paused it, loaded another song, that is Boom Diggy Diggy, again remix version but different one. So next song we queued up over here. We'll just sync it over here. And so again, this song also we started right 1 bar before the beat starts or the verse starts. Got it? So over here it'll end like this. Now we'll just continue playing. It was a simple beat, the volume faders up and down, simple beat juggle. So it was nothing more complicated, simple beat juggle. You just have to get the timings right, keep practicing the beat matching, and keep practicing, you'll get the timings right eventually. So basically that is what we did. We just juggled the song, we just went to the different song and made sure the points were right. Now to tell you why exactly we chose this point than this point to beat jugglers. Like over here, it's going down completely. And there are no verse or no, like nothing is played over there. Like the next part, there's no vocals, start of the vocals or anything. It's just down, like complete downer. Over here as well, you can see just white noise, down, white noise. And then the song starts. So we just went like this. And we are getting the volume down. Done. Simple. Right? It seems all pretty. It went on pretty seamlessly. Now again over here, what we did is, so right at the verse was ending. Again, we jumped back to the start of this, like in the first drop of the song. It's not exactly drop, but then yeah. We'll just refer it as a drop. It's simple. Yeah, right now you can see the waveforms jumping in the waveform clearly, digital waveform. It's much clearer over there. So right at the D, we'll go back to A. I mean, U. It's behind E over here. So yeah. So why we went there again is, so once this drop ends, as you have seen before over here, like where is it? So like the B Q point, it goes down over here, right? So at that point, what we are doing is we are loading another song, the Lutia, and we have set a Q mark where exactly we'll just put, okay. We put the Q mark right over here, right exactly the beat where the song or the verse starts. The me generator song starts. And it starts pretty clean, okay? So like you can listen over here. So it's pretty clean start over here. So we'll just go back a little bit. Yeah. So instead of playing this, we just did the beat juggle. Simple, right? Nothing much complicated. And now over here, it's little bit complicated. You can say. So what's happening over here is we are choosing another song, which is by Tune Squad, Me Genita remix by Tune Squad. It's like a, what do you call it, psych trancey kind of a beat. So yeah. So we were supposed to keep a bookmark over here. Hold on. I mean Q mark over here. Yep. Yeah. So we started the song over here. So now over here, the song continues, the Lutia continues, and right at the breakdown, like the build-up starts, we are gonna increase the tempo and match it to 128. So we'll just forward it. So right over here. Okay. So this is called the build-up of the song. So right over here, we are gonna increase the tempo slowly. Again, a simple beat juggle. Instead of playing this, we are playing this. Simple drop juggle or beat juggle, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much how we did it. So again, why we chose the ending of this drop of this song over here is because it's the end and then there's outro. I mean, the song outro is there and it completely ends. We don't have to play all the sections over here. As you can see, there's so many cue marks. We actually thought to start over here. Oh, sorry. We're planning to start over from here. There was a plan to start over from here and then play a little bit of this. Play a little bit of Me Janita, but then we realized it'll be a pretty long. It's not really going with the vibe. It'll be pretty long, so we had to cut it out because Me Janita had already the song over here. We had already played the Me Janita part over here. If you remember, we started over Francia, Colombia. So we just decided to cut that out. So that's how that is why we chose this. And this was pretty on-spot decision. As you can see in the mashup video, I had to set the cue mark on the go. I realized that on the go. I didn't really prepare it. Okay, so that is how the cue mark was there over there. And for here, I already told you we started over here, and right at the build-up, we increase the tempo. So that is pretty much it. So again, I'll just tell you what all we did. So I think it's pretty clear why we chose, how we started. Tu cheez badi mast over there, and why we put it in 2 decks and how we skipped the verses. It's pretty simple. We just started 1 bar before the verses started, and so every if I don't know how much knowledge you have with the phrases. So in one phrase equals to 8 bars, and the 8th bar is usually where there's a empty or the beats are not there. That is how usually songs are made. So we use that part, and we use the okay, wait, this is the RD one, yeah. So yeah, simple. So over here as well, we started with the phrase over here. So that was pretty simple, man. Yeah, pretty simple for me though. So yeah, if you have any questions or if you have any doubts, or if you want any tips or tricks you want me to upload next, or you want us to upload, we are more than happy. Just comment down below, and we'll get back to the DJ tutorials in the 5 minutes series as well. We had some issues going on, personal issues going on, so that's why it was the tutor had some health issues, so we were not able to continuously upload the DJ tutorial in the 5 minutes. Next. So yeah, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe what you think of this video, and thank you for watching our video, man. Have a nice day ahead. Take care.